Welcome to video 5 of the Google ADK Masterclass. Today we're covering state management and memory. How agents remember context, share information, and recall the past, even across completely separate conversations. Why do agents need memory at all? Imagine chatting with a support agent that forgets your name after every single message. Without state, every request is treated as a brand new conversation. There's no continuity, no personalization, and multi-step tasks become impossible because the agent never remembers what just happened. ADK solves this with 3 connected concepts. Session is the container for one conversation thread. State is a key value scratchpad living inside that session. And memory is a searchable archive that spans across many sessions. Like the difference between your short-term working memory and your long-term knowledge. Let's start with session. Every session is identified by an app name, a user ID, and a session ID. And it holds 2 things. Session.events, the full chronological message history, and session.state, the scratchpad. ADK offers 3 backends: InMemory for local testing, Database for persistence, and VertexAI for managed cloud storage. Now here's a real scenario. A personal assistant bot needs to remember the user's name for just this chat, their language preference across every chat they'll ever have, and a temporary step flag that should vanish immediately. Not all data needs the same lifespan or visibility. And that's exactly why ADK gives state 4 distinct prefixes. Here's how those 4 scopes work. No prefix means the data lives only for this session. User : follows that one user across all of their sessions. App : is shared by every user of the entire application. And temp : exists only for this turn and is never persisted. The simplest way to write state is through output_key on your agent. Now let's talk about memory. Picture a customer who chatted with support last week and mentions the same issue again today. Session state already disappeared when that earlier conversation ended. We need knowledge that survives across entirely separate sessions. This cross-session recall is exactly what ADK's memory service is built for. The memory workflow has 4 steps. First, a completed session gets ingested using add_session_to_memory. Later, the agent calls search_memory with a query. ADK offers 2 retrieval tools. Preload memory tool, which proactively loads memories every single turn, and load memory tool, which the agent calls only when it decides it actually needs past context. Let's be crystal clear about the difference. Session state is short-term, scoped to one session or user, and accessed by direct key lookup. There's no searching involved. Long-term memory is durable knowledge across all past sessions, retrieved through search, either semantic or keyword-based. State tracks where you are right now. Memory recalls what happened before. You now understand how ADK agents maintain context, share information through scope state, and recall knowledge across conversations using memory. In the next video, we put ADK head-to-head with LangChain, so you know exactly which framework to reach for. Subscribe so you don't miss it.